Hi everyone, my name is Tine. Some of you probably already know me, at least by name, or maybe also by face, I don't know. I'm super happy to come on here with our amazing two other yoga instructors, Illona and Arianna. And we are looking so forward to finally be able to do this retreat, actually doing a physical meeting, having the possibility to get this fantastic community together. And it's going to be right here or not far from here in Portugal, as you probably already know. And we're going to have some amazing workshops. We're going to practice together. We're going to have some amazing food. And it's going to be, yeah, we're looking so forward to it. First of all, obviously meeting you guys as well for the first time, having the opportunity to actually get together and practice together and just, yeah, see each other, like talk, exchange everything. So I'm gonna throw the ball to Illona, which is our master retreater. She has done this before. She will help and guide us through this. And yeah, so Illona, introduce yourself and give us some...
Thank you. So first of all, welcome everybody. We're so happy that you're coming and expressing some interest for this retreat. And like she was saying, I'm very, very looking forward to be meeting some of you after having exchanged with some of you on our Facebook community or maybe through our post. I'm very looking forward to having this physical connection and actually, yeah, be growing together now. And for this retreat, my intention is really to be available. So of course, what is amazing with that is that you'll have 3 teachers. So we're 3 teachers with very different approach coming through, which means that you will have access to a lot of different practices, but also a lot of different approaches and different tips, you know, and some might work for you, some others might not, which is why you get an abundance of choice with 3 teachers. And personally, my intentions, like I was saying, is to make myself available as much as I can to create a space where you can dive deeper, move slower, breathe deeper in order to get into the space of observation. And I believe in my practice and also in what I teach that space is what we need. And ultimately, space is being created through time. So I teach vinyasa, but I teach a slow vinyasa. And you'll get to experience this when you come to the retreat. Slow doesn't mean easy, by the way, because we do activate and we work much harder. Like try holding a chair for a little bit. But so I'm really looking forward to be gifting this classes, these practices to you. And as well, like I said, reach out. We're always going to be together throughout this weekend. So just at any times we can work together. We have different workshops. We'll be looking at alignments. We'll be looking at sequences. So the thing is, let's work together, create this melting pot of ideas and exchange, and all bring to the table what we have. And I believe that this is going to come out like really, really nice, you know, to just have different kind of inputs being thrown at you, and then you having the choice to decide what you're going for, right? What resonates more with you. So this is how I'm looking forward to serve you, to help you, and also to hold the space, right? To also have this theme of, yes, we're growing, yes, I'm empowering myself, but also I'm having the space to reconnect. And if you need a bit of rest and then you're looking forward to this retreat to literally retreat yourself from what you're doing, and this one day is also going to be a space for this.
The opportunity.
Yes, exactly. It's not going to be all intense, even though it's an intensive retreat. We're also going to have the time to laugh, have fun together, and you know, let's see what comes up. Yeah, so I'm really looking forward. I think it's going to be beautiful, and I'm looking forward to be hosting this with you, girls. Beautiful. Thank you.
Yes. Arianna, do you want to say something about yourself and a little introduction as well?
Yeah, so I'm very excited because probably no one knows me with my face, because I'm always working behind the scene, because I really like to stay
Exactly. Arianna has been
different.
so for
So
some time, and she not new to us.
yeah, not new to you for sure, but yeah, maybe you saw me in the community because I'm the community manager of PlayPauseBe, or maybe you saw me in some emails because I really like to write emails and to share my knowledge via through a different tool instead of videos. So yeah, basically I'm also a yoga teacher, and I would like to bring a bit of knowledge that I had in the past years in this retreat, and it's going to be an amazing opportunity because personally I don't see the style that I teach quite often. Actually, it's very rare to find, so I really suggest you to take time to explore what I'm going to bring. The teachings I'm going to share with you are coming from the tantric Himalayan teachings, so it's something really special that I'm really also very excited to share, because it's something that it's gonna bring you a lot of values in your practice as well. At least to me, it changed completely all the view that that I have towards yoga and towards the practice itself. We're gonna have a practice together in which you can feel the experience of being grounded and luminous at the same time, because being grounded, it doesn't mean necessarily that you are relaxed and that's it. It's just like more grounded in the terms of being stable, and whatever comes in your life, you know that you have yourself and the power to deal with any sort of situation. So this is bringing you luminosity in your daily life. And also I will share with you a special workshop related to how to create sequences based on values, which is something that is going to really be, I'm sure is going to be mind-blowing for all of you guys. So I'm just putting all the information right now to give you the best as I can. It's going to be difficult, but because there is a lot of things to say, but I will try to sum up everything in the time that we are spending together. And of course, I'm also available to every kind of support. If you need something, I'm here to answer to all of your doubts and questions.
Perfect. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna do a short for me as well. So my background is I started a long time ago with Ashtanga yoga. So that's my background. But I will say that I'm not an orthodox Ashtanga. That's how we have rolled it out, because we're different approaches in Ashtanga as well. But so I come from a very, would say, powerful and maybe advanced physical practice. I have a background in dancing as well, and so I'm very focused on alignments and being present, I would say, as well. So that it's always an intention behind the movement, and that you're moving with intention and being present in all of your practice. So not just when you land in something that you feel comfortable in, but also during your transitions and coming and going. And so I will be focusing on that, bringing your presence, and obviously it will I will also adapt the practices. You don't have to be an advanced yogi. There will be advanced yogi in the sense of a physical sense, I'm saying now. So I will adapt everything as we go along, as well as I'm sure both of the others will do as well. I'm looking very much forward to finally be able to practice with you guys and with Arianna and Illona as well, because we haven't practiced together either. So that will be very very exciting as well. Also because we're coming from such different backgrounds. So my teacher training also has Ashtanga and Vinyasa focused. So that's the background that I come from. Yes, I don't want to say a lot more because we're gonna more when we get there, you know.
Yes, thank you, Tine. That's so nice. It's already so rich. I'm very excited because it's already so rich just listening to what everyone is bringing, you know. I didn't even hear the same words apart from presence, which ultimately is also yoga, but beautiful. I'm really excited, and I think this will be, like I said already, an abundance of choice. And imagine like a buffet that you can choose from, and you just pick whatever resonates with you.
And you maybe pick pieces from each one, and then you put it together to make your practice.
And that's what we want.
Ultimately, what we want you to find is your practice, which is the best way to practice for you. And then we hope that we might be able to bring you something that you can take with you when you leave, and that can enrich your practice in some way.
So that's exactly that. Exactly.
Thank you so much for staying with us and just watch this video. And we're looking forward to meeting you in this retreat. It's gonna be, I don't know, Tine, if you want to just do a short recap of when and where it's gonna be. So
it's gonna be in October. It's the second weekend. It's from the. We're gonna leave all of the information in the email that this comes out with. We're gonna leave. So it's the
13th to 16th of October.
Thank you very much.
And you're welcome. And also, like, just important to say, because this might scare some of you, is like we do help out with transportation. So if you come and you make your way like from outside Portugal, for example, like we already have some of you asking us about this. Because whatever. So when you make your way to Lisbon, for example, if you're flying, we will have a transfer organized to come and pick you to Lisbon, bring you to the retreat center and so on. So we're also helping you out to get there, like because it may seem like it's a bit far out, but it is not, and it's amazing because there's going to be no one around us, and it's just going to be us.
Amazing. Yes, there's no one around. Fortunately, I couldn't go, and Beto went by himself to check it out, but it's amazing. He was amazed. It's really just a space, and there's no one around. It's complete silence. I mean, it's not going to be silent when we're there, but you know, it's be us.
It's not a silent retreat.
No, but it's going to be really cool. So we hope to see a lot of you guys. We want to grow together. There's a beautiful movement together as a team. And let's see first of many. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.